Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install WeChat in Linux system. Any distro you have, you can still install WeChat web into Linux distro. So here is the website. I will add into the description where from you can download. So you can download Debian package. Just click here and it will download WeChat web for Linux. Remember that this WeChat is only in Chinese, so you can still install into the Linux system. So let download this Debian package. Once it downloaded, go to the downloads folder through terminal cd downloads, enter ls. Here is the WeChat. So this is a Debian package. So to download install Debian package, sudo dpkg space -i and package name and hit enter. Add the sudo password, hit enter. Let's see. Go to the menu, type WeChat. Here is WeChat. You can scan through your mobile and open WeChat. Thank you so much.